Hey everybody, I wanted to add some courtesy lights under my dash, sort of in the footwell, and so I bought this universal courtesy light kit from Painless. So let's install it. Okay, this is my plug for my headlights, and I want them to come on when you turn on the headlights. So that switched is usually this yellow wire. I have the Speedway 22 circuit universal, so it's this yellow wire. So I'm going to show you how to split that and bridge onto that, and then you can add your lights. Okay, I have my wire strippers there, and I'm just going to create a split in the middle like that, and we'll bridge a wire against that. Okay, we want to make sure that we tin this wire with solder before we start adding the jumper wire to it. And then I have this wire here. Where is it? This wire here. Uh, I have this wire here bent, all ready to solder on there. Okay, it's time for a test. Painless wiring gives you a lot of wire. And what I've done is I've connected it to the hot here, and this is just for testing. And then I have a ground here. Painless wiring also gives you butt connectors as well. So let's test. Okay, this is my headlight switch. All right, success. Okay, all I'm gonna have to do now is mount them, cut the wires to spec. You can see it comes with these little hoods so that it doesn't blind you. But yeah, I'll find a place to mount these under the dash. It'll be nice. All right, hope that helped. Okay, I have mounted them under the dash. You can't even see them poking out. You see lots of other stuff poking out, but yeah, you can't even see them from the dash. And so now I'm going to give it our final test, and I will turn on my lights. Look at that. Look at that. Light it up. Look at that. It's amazing. All right. Hopefully this was helpful. Comment if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks.